Hello everyone. Today we are learn about the edit and delete the existing item in Hive database. So first of all, we open our Android Studio and add two buttons, edit and delete. So first of all, I add the row widget in column and into the row children we add the text widget of the title and other two icon button. One is edit and delete. Perfect. Icons.delete. So I run the application and so the edit and delete option are showing. No space in between three buttons, title and edit and delete button. So I use a space between, but its UI is uncomfortable. So I change its space around. It is not valid. No, it's not showing properly. Space around it also not working. I think I use the expand widget and add text title into the expand and another two widget in the around in the row. So I use the expand and add the title to the expand widget. Yeah, perfect. Simply run it. Yeah, it's perfect showing. So I can add a size box between icon delete and edit button. Simple. Comma is missing, so this is so error. Yeah, perfect. And I can write edit button with the inkwell. So I can write the on click event into the when the click on the edit button. Yeah, perfect. And add a proper attribute on tab. Yeah, perfect. When click on the edit button, this event is triggered. Here we can write our edit code. Yeah, first of all we create another function, void function. It is delete. We write a delete code first. So we delete the to do. So when we delete the to do, we create a async and pass a to do model object. So we pass argument as a to do model object. Yeah, perfect. But delete method. Here we cannot use any other delete through the index or specific key and attribute. This is the main feature of the Hive database. So we simply delete the to do. Yeah, perfect. Delete to do and pass the object of the to do model. Here we cannot pass an index of the list. Data is a list of the to do model. So we can pass one object of the to do model. Yeah, perfect. But I think this mistake is like write the code in the edit button. So I change the edit and delete icon. Yeah, perfect. And delete is the edit. And simply we print the delete successfully. For our confirmation, we show in the console. Yeah, perfect. We simply delete one item in my local device. You can show here the message is just showing in console delete successfully. Yeah, done. In the same case, we have the edit button with the inkwell and create another function. Yeah, perfect. Here we write the same method on tab. When we before a write method, we reformat the code and create a function. I think it's I copy the show dialog and paste in name change. Here we can write the function name is edit to do. Edit to do dialog. Here we can change our some title. In the argument we get three items. One is a to do model object, and second is the title, and third is a description. Yeah, perfect. Here we can some title. And assign the value of the current edit when we select the position of the object. We assign the value to the controller. Yeah, perfect. And change the model title like edit to do, and button title is the edit to do. Here we can remove this code. This is for add. We simply write sorry. We simply write create a SE in on paste. Create the title and assign to the to do model title, and simply call to do dot save method to save the data in the database. Yeah, perfect. We write same for the description. To do the description equal to description controller dot text dot to string. Yeah, perfect. And simply write a to do dot save method. And here we can write some message. So print the debug, and so in debug console the edit successfully. Edit successfully. Here we can call the edit dialog function. and pass the data of the index. It is a to-do model object, and title is a data index dot title, and description. The particular object is description. Semicolon. Simply reload. We add some to, and after that edit that. Here you can show the edit successfully, so in the debug console. Yeah, perfect. In the next tutorial today, I create a new tutorial for the GetX controller and state management in Flutter. So must watch our latest video. Thank you.